Yes.
Hi friend, this is me Akhlaq. Today I am going to teach you past indefinite tense. Past indefinite tense बहुत ही important tense है इंग्लिश ग्रामर में. ये आपकी डेली कन्वर्सेशन में बहुत यूज होता है और आपके लिए इसको जानना बहुत ही यूजफुल होगा. तो पूरी वीडियो को गौर से देखिएगा और अगर मेरा काम आपको अच्छा लगे तो वीडियो को शेयर और सब्सक्राइब करना मत भूलिएगा. तो चलिए शुरू करते हैं. फ्रेंड्स, पास्ट इंडेफिनिट टेंस को पहचानने के लिए हमको इन हिंदी हमको देखना होता है कि सेंटेंस का एंड किन वर्ड से हो रहा है. अगर सेंटेंस का एंड ता था, ती थी, ते थे, आ, ई, ए, या था, ई थी, ए थे, अगर इन वर्ड से अगर हो तो हम जान जाएंगे कि दिस सेंटेंस इज इन पास्ट इंडेफिनिट टेंस. सेकेंड रूल इज दैट इन पास्ट इंडेफिनिट टेंस अफर्मेटिव वी यूज second form of the verb. This second form is called as participle form. Participle form, past participle of verb. And nowhere in English grammar we use second form of the verb. If I give you a sentence, मैं कल दिल्ली गया था. मैं कल दिल्ली गया था. मैं is subject, गया था verb, Delhi object. If I translate this sentence into English, it would be I went to Delhi yesterday. If I change subjects in each and every sentence, it would be we went to Delhi yesterday, you went to Delhi yesterday, they went to Delhi yesterday, he went to Delhi yesterday, she went to Delhi yesterday, Ram went to Delhi yesterday, Sita went to Delhi yesterday, Ram and Sita went to Delhi yesterday. But friends, in past indefinite tense, some sentences also take saka, saki, sake. Suppose that if I say मैं ये काम कर सका, this sentence would be translated this way. I could do this work. You have to keep in your mind that if the sentence ends with saka, saki, sake, then in past indefinite tense affirmative, we use first form of the verb. We don't use second form if the sentence in Hindi takes saka, saki, sake. As I gave you a sentence in Hindi, मैं ये काम कर सका, and I translated that into English, I could do this work. Friends, in past indefinite tense, आदत भी जाहिर होती है. If in past we had some habit, हमारी कोई आदत, फॉर एग्जाम्पल मैं पिछले साल मैदान में क्रिकेट खेला करता था. It shows your habit in past. So this sentence would be translated using used to. As I gave you a sentence, मैं पिछले साल मैदान में क्रिकेट खेला करता था. So I would translate this sentence into English. Last year I used to play cricket in the field. But friends, in modern English, if we use would in place of used to, it is better. आजकल की अंग्रेजी में अगर हम लोग used to की जगह पर would का इस्तेमाल करेंगे तो वो अच्छा माना जाएगा. तो I can say last year I would play cricket in the field. Now I go with its negative. Friends, in past indefinite negative we use first form of the verb. If I say मैं कल दिल्ली नहीं गया था, I would translate this sentence. Before I translate this sentence, I would just tell you that in past indefinite negative we use did plus not, means did not helping verb. As I gave you a sentence, मैं कल दिल्ली नहीं गया था. I did not go to Delhi yesterday. If I change subjects in next sentences, we did not go to Delhi yesterday. You did not go to Delhi yesterday. They did not go to Delhi yesterday. He did not go to Delhi yesterday. She did not go to Delhi yesterday. Ram did not go to Delhi yesterday. Sita did not go to Delhi yesterday. Friends, we can also say this sentence in spoken English this way. I didn't go to Delhi yesterday. We didn't go to Delhi yesterday. You didn't go to Delhi yesterday. They didn't go to Delhi yesterday. He didn't go to Delhi yesterday. She didn't go to Delhi yesterday. Ram didn't go to Delhi yesterday. Sita didn't go to Delhi yesterday. Ram and Sita didn't go to Delhi yesterday. But friends, one exception is also there in past indefinite tense negative. If in past indefinite tense negative we find a sentence this way, मैं आगरा कभी नहीं गया. Here I am not saying मैं आगरा नहीं गया. I am saying मैं आगरा कभी नहीं गया. कभी नहीं means never. If you find any sentence in past indefinite tense negative, you will use नेवर, फॉर कभी नहीं। एंड दिस सेंटेंस would not be translated according to the rule of past indefinite negative, but this sentence would be translated according to the rule of past indefinite affirmative. Now I repeat, मैं आगरा कभी नहीं गया. I would translate this sentence into English as I never went to Agra. Now I take you to past indefinite interrogative. You know, interrogative sentences are two types. One is according to me interrogative helping verb type, and second is question verb type. Now I just to take up first interrogative helping verb type. If I say क्या मैं कल दिल्ली गया था, I would translate the sentence into English, did I go to Delhi yesterday? If I change subjects, did we go to Delhi yesterday? Did you go to Delhi yesterday? Did they go to Delhi yesterday? Did he go to Delhi yesterday? Did she go to Delhi yesterday? Did Ram go to Delhi yesterday? Did Sita go to Delhi yesterday? Did Ram and Sita go to Delhi yesterday? Friends, now I take you to past indefinite interrogative question verb type. Question verb type, as I have been discussing with you many a times, that question verb type interrogative sentences are those sentences where we find question verb in the middle of the sentence. If I say मैं कल दिल्ली क्यों नहीं गया था, so this sentence would be in English, why did I not go to Delhi yesterday? Why did we not go to Delhi yesterday? Why did you not go to Delhi yesterday? Why did they not go to Delhi yesterday? Why did he not go to Delhi yesterday? Why did she not go to Delhi yesterday? Why did Ram not go to Delhi yesterday? Why did Sita not go to Delhi yesterday? Why did Ram and Sita not go to Delhi yesterday? But friends, there is once again an exception into this sentence also. If you find any sentence where you find question verb कौन, ये काम किसने किया, या दिल्ली कल कौन गया था. If I say दिल्ली कल कौन गया था, कौन, its English is who. This is interrogative question verb type. But if you find in past indefinite tense interrogative question verb type, the question word is कौन, its English is who. So affirmative rule will be applicable here. We will apply affirmative rule with this sentence. May I now repeat the sentence? कल दिल्ली कौन गया था? And affirmative rule says second form of the verb will be used. Now I translate the sentence into English. Who went to Delhi yesterday? Who went to Delhi yesterday? And earlier I gave a sentence, ये काम किसने किया? ये काम किसने किया? I would translate this sentence into English, who did this work. So friends, I have taught you past indefinite tense today. That's all for today. Thank you.